Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing how to get the area in polar coordinates, okay? So, ayan, polar coordinates, 'di ba, is rotating in an angle. Oh, okay, so first you have to learn how to graph a polar coordinate in polar coordinates from the other video that will be uploaded, okay? Ayan. So, halimbawa, from here, from 0, okay, from this axis to there, so, ang formula nito is iba, compared here na dalawa yung polar coordinate, and then kukunin mo yung area in between. Okay? So, ayan. So, sa case 1, okay, area is 1/2 a to b r squared data kapag ganito yung format. Okay? And then, pag case 2 naman, okay, kunin natin yung r2 squared o yung outer minus the inner. Okay? R squared then. Inner. D theta. From alpha to beta. Ganun din dito from A to B. Okay? Depende sa rotation. So, let's have an example. Let's answer example. Find the area bounded by the lemniscate. Okay, r squared is equals to a squared cos 2 theta. So, when you graph a lemniscate, ganito ang itsura niya. Okay. Ayan. Ayan siya. Isin natin ng konti. This is the A. Ayan. So, ayan, ganyan siya. So, ito is projected from, ayan, pi over 4 at saka 3 pi over 4. Ayan. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung area, pwede tayong magkaroon ng ito, strip dito, paikot from 0 to pi over 4, and then i-times 4 na lang natin. 'Di ba? Kasi pare-parehas lang naman symmetry. So, ang area dito, okay, sabi dito is 1/2 r squared. 1/2 r squared from A to B d theta. Okay? So, ang limits natin is 1/2 from 0 to pi over 4. Okay? And then, ang r squared natin ay equivalent sa a squared cosine 2 theta d theta. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, ito ay area pa lang nung isa. Nitong part na to. Ayan. Yan yung area niya. Okay? So, pag in-integrate natin siya, that is 1/2. Pag in-evaluate natin to, this is 1/2 a squared sine 2 theta. Okay? Evaluating from 0 to pi over 4. Okay? So, this is 1/4 a squared. Okay? And then, sine, okay, set up natin to. Mode, rad, shift, setup, 4. Ayan. Sine 2 pi over 4. That is equivalent to 1. Okay. 1. Kasi ito ay constant naman, so nilabas na natin. Minus 0. Sine 0 is 0. Okay? So, ang area pala nung isang yon is 1/4 a squared. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung total area, i-times lang natin siya ng 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang total area natin is 4 times 1/4 a squared. That is equivalent to a squared. So, that is how you answer example number 1. Then, let's proceed to example number 2. Ayan. Find the area of the region which is inside the circle R2. Okay. Sabi niya circle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, meron tayong circle. Okay, sorry, hindi masyadong perfect. Ayan. And then, the outside cardioid R is equals to 2 minus cosine theta. Okay. So, kapag gumawa tayo ng cardioid, ang graph niyan is like this. Ibahin natin yung kulay para ang cardioid is parang heart shape. Ayan, ganyan siya. Okay. So, sabi niya here is outside the cardioid. So, ang kinukuhang area is ito. Okay. Ito. Okay. So, paano natin malalaman yung intersection nila? Okay. The points of the curves will intersect. Okay. Dito sa, di ba nag-intersect siya sa pi over 2? Di ba? Pi over 2 at saka sa negative pi over 2. Okay. Dito sa 90 degrees. Ngayon, ang pwede natin gawin is kunin muna natin itong area na to. Itong area na to. And then, i-times natin sa 2. Kasi dalawa sila. Symmetrical naman. So, ang area na pwede natin kunin is, diba, outer, which is the circle, R2 outer minus R squared inner. 1/2 siya, 1/2, okay, d theta. Okay, and then saka natin i-times sa 2. Okay, yung ito munang area na to ang kunin natin, yung upper. So, A is equals to 1/2. So, from 0 to pi over 2 na limit, ito, ganito siya magro-rotate. From 0 to pi over 2, okay, ang outer natin is the circle. Okay, that is 2. 2 squared, okay? At ang inner natin is square din natin to. So, this is equivalent to 4 1 minus cos theta squared. Okay, so this is 4 1 minus cos theta squared d theta. Okay, so tignan natin, area is equals to 1/2. Okay. This is, pag in-integrate natin to, natin siya, this is, simplify muna natin pala. This is 4 minus 4 times 1 minus 2 cosine theta minus cosine squared theta. Okay. Ayan. And then, A is equals to 1/2 from 0 to pi over 2. 4 minus 4 minus 8 cosine theta minus 4 cosine squared theta d theta. To simplify pa ulit natin. Area 1/2 0 pi over 2. 4 minus 4 cancel. So, ang matitira na lang is negative 8. Tama ba? 4. Ay, sorry. Tama ba? Negative 4. Positive 8 pala to. Negative 4, positive 8, and then positive. So, ang matitira na lang here is 8 cosine theta plus 4 cosine squared theta d theta. Okay? At kung you remember how to integrate this, diba? Kapalit niyan dapat is 1/2 1 plus cos 2 theta. Diba? Okay. So, 1/2 0 pi over 2 8 cosine theta plus 4 over 2, that is 2. Okay? 2 plus 2. Tama ba? Okay. Tama ba to? Teka lang Negative 4. Ay, positive pala to dapat. Sorry. Positive. Okay. And then, this is negative. So, negative to. Sorry. Okay. And then, this is negative. So, this should be negative 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta d theta. Ayan, pwede na tayo mag-integrate. 1/2 pag in-integrate natin siya, this is 8 sin theta minus 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay? So, 1/2. So, magiging 4 sin theta minus theta minus 1/2 sin 2 theta evaluating from 0 to pi over 2. Okay? So, move natin. Ano bang equivalent ng 4 sin pi over 2 minus pi over 2 minus 1/2 sin 2 pi over 2. 4 sin pi over 2 minus pi over 2 minus 1/2 sin 2 pi over 2. Okay, that is equivalent to 2.43. Okay. Ang area is equivalent sa 2.429. Tingnan natin. Okay. 2.429. Okay? Square units. Ang area na to, okay, ay ito pa lang. Asa na yung drawing natin? Ito pa lang. So, i-times 2 natin siya. Itong area pa lang na to. Kasi ito lang kinuha natin. So, para makuha natin yung total, ito, i-times 2 natin siya. Okay. So, that is equivalent sa 4 point. Area is equivalent. Pag times 2 natin to equivalent sa 4.8584 square units. Okay, so that is how you answer area in polar coordinates example number 2. Thank you very much for watching.